Do you want to make a website but you don't know how to code? No problem. My name is Harsha. Today I will show you how to create a website in just 5 minutes by using AI tool. Best part of this AI tool is it is totally free and no need any technical knowledge about coding. Let me show how to create a website by using this AI tool. Go to Google and search for Lovable.AI. Proceed with first link. Now type here few words about your idea on which you want to make a website. For suppose I want to make a website on e-commerce. Type create a website. Create a e-commerce website. And enter. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes to create a whole website for you. See, your total website is ready now. If you want to change any images or you want to change any text, just click on here, edit, and select whatever you need. See, if you want to change any text from here you can change the overall text. I'm showing, I don't need any changes. I'm just showing example how to change the text. If you want to change the whole theme of the color or anything you need, just prompt here. Change overall theme of website. If you want to preview the website, just click on here arrow button. Just take few seconds. See, here is your website. If you want to check it out, check it out. If you are happy with your site, just go back and click publish. Publish. Completed. See, if you want to share your website link to your friends or your family members, just copy this link and just go to your WhatsApp or any platform you want to share. Just share this. See how wonderful this website is. It just takes 5 minutes to prepare overall website for you. If you like the content, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more easy content like this.